Today, we're tackling one of the biggest challenges for English learners: how to improve your speaking skills. So if you've ever felt stuck, self-conscious, or just not confident enough to speak up in English, stick around because I've got some practical tips to get you speaking fluently and naturally. Let's jump in. First up, one of the simplest and most effective ways to improve is by listening and imitating. When you listen to native speakers, whether it's in a movie, a podcast, or even a YouTube video, pay close attention to how they speak. Notice their intonation, rhythm, and word stress. Then, try to copy exactly what they're saying. This technique, called shadowing, is amazing for improving pronunciation and building confidence. Don't worry if it feels weird at first, it gets easier with practice. The next tip is a game changer. Try to think in English. Now, I know that sounds a bit intimidating, but here's a simple way to start. Try narrating your day-to-day activities in English, even if it's just in your head. For example, if you're making coffee, you can say to yourself, "I'm boiling the water, adding coffee grounds, stirring." It helps you get comfortable with thinking and speaking in English, which eventually leads to more natural conversations. Tip number 3 might sound a bit awkward, but trust me, it works. Record yourself speaking. It doesn't matter if you're reading a paragraph from a book or just speaking freestyle about your day, but recording helps you hear yourself objectively. This way, you can notice your own pronunciation or grammar mistakes and make improvements over time. Plus, it's a great way to track your progress. Next, let's talk about finding a language partner. Speaking with someone else, even if it's just for a few minutes a day, makes a huge difference. You can find language partners on apps like HelloTalk, Tandem, or even through online language exchange groups. Practicing with a partner helps you get comfortable with real conversations, which is exactly what you need to improve your speaking. And finally, don't be afraid of making mistakes. In fact, making mistakes is the best way to learn. Remember, fluency doesn't mean perfection. It's about being able to communicate your ideas. So give yourself permission to mess up. It's all part of the learning journey. Every time you push through a mistake, you're building confidence and fluency. So there you have it. 5 practical tips to get you speaking English with confidence. Listen and imitate, think in English, record yourself, find a language partner, and embrace those mistakes. Try putting just one of these tips into practice each day, and you'll be surprised at how much you improve. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more lessons, and leave a comment letting me know which tip you'll be trying out first. Remember, learning a language is a marathon, not a sprint. So keep going, stay curious, and enjoy the process.